The asshole for leaving my 4-year-old nephew unsupervised. I, 26 female, have a sister, 28, let's call her Jay. Jay is a mother to 3 kids, ages 4, 7, and 8. The father is really absent and not around much. He works a night shift and sleeps all day. I feel bad for her because it isn't a fair situation and she doesn't get any time to herself. Anyway, my sister invited me to hang out on Saturday night. I agreed, but she said she would have to leave and run an errand at some point. Cool. She said she'd be half an hour, so could I look after the sleeping youngest child while she quickly nipped out? I reluctantly agreed. The other 2 kids have been dropped off at our parents' house for the weekend, so I understood she would want some time to run an errand she normally wouldn't have time for it, as long as it was only half an hour as she promised it would be. I come over, we chat, catch up, watch a movie. It was really pleasant until she says she has to leave for the errand. She leaves me with instructions on what to do in case the kid wakes up, but says just to call her because she's only around the corner. I'm on edge about it because I struggle a lot with bad anxiety and panic disorders, which I'm currently in therapy for and experimenting with meds to manage. However, we haven't found anything that really works yet. She knows this and knows I would really panic and cannot look after a child for longer than she initially promised. I'm just not there mentally to be able to deal with crying. Anyway, 45 minutes passed. I called her, asked if everything was okay and when she'll be back. She said something came up and she'll be another hour, maybe an hour and 15. I lose my shit and say if she's not back in 15 minutes then I'm leaving. She said I wouldn't do that and please just stay there. At this point, I'm on the verge of having a panic attack, so I do my breathing exercises, ring her husband, leave a message when he doesn't answer, text him about the situation, as well as text my mom. And then I left after 15 minutes, as I said. My sister didn't come home for another 2 hours, and when she did, her husband was there with their child and they were both mad. He got my message 15 minutes after I left, so 30 minutes after I sent it. Both of them are refusing to talk to me, saying I endangered their child's life. I feel like me staying would have been even worse. A panic attack may have woken him up to find me a dysfunctional mess.